Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make PDF files on mobile. So let's just say if you want to convert your photo or document into PDF, all you have to do is go to your folder and then look for the specific file. Let's just say I want to convert or make my photo or picture into PDF. So go to your folder and then look for the specific photo or image, and then you have to click that one. Tap this three dots on the bottom right corner, and then you have to look for share or print. If you can find it right here, then tap on the share icon, which is this one, and you have to look for the print option. So once you tap the share icon here, sometimes it depends on the model of your device. So if I'm going to tap on the share icon, I should see the print option, which is this one. Click this. And what you're going to do is you have to click the name right here. Tap on select printer, click this arrow facing down, and you should see save as PDF. You just have to click that one and it will be automatically saved to your device. So that is the first one. That is the first thing on how to make PDF files on mobile. The second thing is that you can use your web browser. So you can go to your Google web browser and then here search for convert file to PDF or make PDF files. It will take you directly to a specific site, or you can look for any specific site right here, which is legit. So let's just say I'm going to select this site and I'm going to make or convert my photo or my file into PDF. So just click that one and then attach the file or attach the photo right here. And then you should see the convert option. So image to PDF, look for that specific image right here, and then just proceed with the following instruction. So basically, these are the ways on how to make PDF files on mobile. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.